We're all on a journey. We're all on a journey. We've been traveling for a very, very long time, most of us not really knowing where we're going. And we've hit a tipping point on the planet. We can all feel that. The pandemic has ushered in a great transition that wisdom cultures the world over foretold in their mythologies and in their astrologies and in their myth and legend. And so here we are. There is no going back. There's only going forward. And therefore, there's only really one question. How are we going to move forward into a new civilization, into a new age? One that is far more equitable, harmonious, caring, sustainable? That's the question that each of us who really truly care about living a meaningful life are going to be asking ourselves. And so that's what the Tibetans have offered us, is a clear path forward. They call it the Lam Rim, the gradual stages of the path from misery to enlightenment. Perhaps the most systematic and comprehensive path ever offered in the Buddhist tradition. They knew that we would need something very clear and concise, and this is their offering to us. And therefore, this is my offering to you. Please consider joining me on a 6-week pilgrimage that I'll be leading you through the stages of the path to enlightenment, from misery into karma, into renunciation, through compassion, into the deepest wisdom, the insight into the nature of reality, and through to Tantra. All of the systematic steps and stages of the path presented really tightly, neatly, easily to digest. And we won't just stop there with lectures. We'll go into meditations. We'll be doing some very, very deep meditations to extract the essence of our learning. And then we'll be reciting a beautiful 14th century text from Lama Tsongkhapa, one of the greatest exponents of Tibetan Buddhism the world has ever seen, a scholar and also a yogi. He condensed the Lam Rim into 14 verses, and we're going to recite it. And when we recite it, we're going to connect with an ancient lineage. We're going to connect with a deep source. We're going to be guided from celestial realms, invisible deities, hosts, angels, archetype deities, gurus and mentors. Those that we cannot necessarily see, those that we cannot necessarily touch, but those that live amongst us and are beckoning us to wake up and to move forward, follow the path, lead us to something that we've all been looking for. So we'll recite that text together. We'll meditate deeply. We'll study together. We'll tune out some of the noise. We'll decrease some of the fear. We'll find some deep treasure within us that the world needs us to pull out and offer. So please join me on a 6-week pilgrimage, the foundations of the path, beginning very soon. Thank you so much.